Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to explore this product right here. This is an HDMI video capture. What this thing does is it actually has a lot of use, but the reason why I bought it is to connect this guy to my computer right there and use it for streaming and other stuff. This guy right here, you can plug it directly so you don't have to worry about power, and also it has a really long battery life. So yeah, this is also the same camera that PewDiePie uses. Moving on with the topic, I got this guy right here for I think 9 or 10 KD, and that already includes the shipping and handling, import taxes and whatnot. I didn't get it from Amazon because I think on Amazon this would be like cheaper, but once you hit the checkout, sometimes the tax and import fees are more than what the actual product costs. There's a twist though. I thought that when I buy this thing right here, I'd be able to connect the cameras, or my cameras, including that one, to this one, but I was wrong. I just overlooked something. Okay, when I bought this, I thought I'm only gonna spend 10 KD and that's it. I'm gonna be able to connect and do whatever I want. However, that is not the case. So I'm gonna show you the other things that I bought along with this. Okay, so earlier when I received the product, I was like, huh? Nani? Okay, so I plug this to my computer. This is the USB part, and this is the other part, the HDMI part. And I remember getting the Belkin HDMI to HDMI. And I'm like, this doesn't look right. This doesn't look like the HDMI that goes into my cameras. I checked my camera, it was small, and I'm like, yeah, I don't think so. And this didn't come with anything, so I had to spend extra bucks for this. Actually, I got this not for this purpose. I got this because I wanted to connect my Mac to the TV. I have the USB-C to HDMI and connect this to my monitor, to my TV for other purposes. Anyway, so I already got this. This is not going to work with the camera, and I was looking for other ways to connect my cameras, and I'm like, I think my cameras didn't come with a cable. So I looked up online and I found out that I have to buy those cables, so that's another expense. So that's 10 KD plus other stuff. If you're using a DSLR, you need the mini. So right here you can see that there are 3 types of HDMI, and I got all 3 of them. This is the HDMI to HDMI type A, HDMI type C, and HDMI type D. So this would normally go to computer, to television, or your PS4. So if you want to connect your PS4 to your computer, and if you want to record some gameplay, let's say you want to record your gameplay of Last of Us 2, which I'm playing right now, that is possible if you want a high quality recording. So just connect your PS4 to your computer. However, I'm not really sure how that's going to work. I'm going to explore that with you guys, because I found out earlier that it works best with Elgato, the one, not the cam link, but the one that has HDMI in and out to another television. So we're going to explore that later. Let's start off with the camera. Anyway, DSLRs, you're going to use the mini, okay? DSLR and video cameras like the one that I showed you. So that is this guy right here. And if you have the smaller cameras, mirrorless cameras, then you're gonna need the type D, which is this guy right here. So these two, each of these, they cost 9 KD 950, rounded off 10 KD. So all 3 of these, this is already around 10 KD, plus these 2 is 30 KD, plus the Belkin. I'm not sure how much I got this, but this supports 4K and it's pretty long. It's actually 5 feet. I think I got this for at least around 10 KD. Perhaps another 10 KD, guess it's the high-speed one. I've already bought this before I got this, so I don't really count it. So anyway, 30 KD plus. I'm like, okay, what if I want to record something from my iPad Pro, the old one, not the new one. I do have the HDMI port for the new one, which I can use the HDMI to USB Type-C, and I can just use a converter or something. I don't know how that's gonna, I'm gonna explore that as well. Yeah, I can use that actually. So plug it to my iPad Pro and then use the HDMI to HDMI cable to here and plug it to the computer. So that's how I'm gonna use the iPad. Good idea. Anyway, for the 10.5 inch, and if you want to connect your iPad 10.5 inch with the lightning adapter and or your phone, you can do it with this. And this is, I tried to find a cheaper option because I've already spent 30 KD for the 2 cable splits this, but I couldn't. So this is an extra 18 KD, and this is made by Apple. I want a cheaper option, but there's nothing. So I'm like, fine. Anyway, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this goes to your phone, and there's an HDMI port and an extra lightning adapter port here to plug to an outlet, so you can use your phone or charge your phone while using it. All right, so that's for this. So the total is 50 KD, and I didn't really plan on spending 50 KD this month, but I did anyway, because I'm like, let's just get it over with, and that's it. I'm set for now, and maybe next project is to get an Elgato, so I'd be able to monitor my gameplay from a bigger TV. I'll have like 2 screens, one for the streaming and one for the gameplay. So now it's time for testing. I already took it out of the plastic bag, and all right, this is the Type D. You need to plug the other end to the video capture like this. Okay, input. This goes to the computer, and we're gonna test the A6400 first because it's charged. The XA11's dead. I have to plug it to a power source, and well, I still have to look for the power adapter. The port is right here at this side. It says HDMI, so I'm gonna plug it right there, and it fits. It is perfect. We're gonna plug it to the computer and see if it works. All right, guys, so I've already plugged the camera to the USB port. Let's see if it reads. Oh, USB video. Hello there. You see that? I can see myself. This is nice. It is higher quality. We can make this bigger, and that's gonna be fine. Anyway, yeah, it does work, guys. It does work. Next one that I'm gonna test out is my phone. We're gonna connect it to the computer and mirror it. I feel like, oh, it's actually secure. I don't know, there's a gap in the middle. So this goes to my phone. Now you guys can see my screen. So I guess that's it. I hope I answered your question. I hoped it helped, and if it did, please hit the thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section, and if you like my videos and don't want to miss my future videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of my next videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.